Does it make sense to own your own dental website? Hi, I'm Kayvon Mott with the Docsites. I help doctors get the most out of their website and online marketing. Let's dive right in. There are three major benefits to owning your own website. One, you save a little money on your monthly hosting. Second, you can make updates anytime you want. You don't have to wait for someone. And third, if you decide to leave your marketing company, you could take your website with you. This leads us to three major downsides of owning your own website. One, you're at a disadvantage when it comes to your online marketing. Most marketing companies want to work on a website they've built. It's like if you want the Tesla service, you have to have a Tesla. So sometimes that website is actually more of a drag than a benefit. Second, you've essentially bought yourself another job. Not only do you have to make website updates or hire someone to do it, now you have to make sure your website's ADA compliant, privacy policies are met, and whatever else comes up next. Good luck with that. Three, your website and online presence will become stagnant faster than you know because you don't have a reliable, dependable person or company updating it for you. Here at the Docsites, you always own your domain. We have transparency in our pricing, plus no long-term contracts. We have 5-star rated customer service with real people here in the US here to help you out. If you'd like more information, visit docsites.com.